NEO stock plus 40%, a NEO stock update. So here are some good news about the NEO stock. NEO just won a contract to supply for their government, supply their vehicles to their government from 2020 to 2022. Another NEO stock another good news about the NEO stock is they just hit like 5,000 monthly production of their NEO vehicles. That's annualized like 60,000 vehicles per year. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Next, since NEO is a Chinese company, NEO is a Chinese company, so let's have a quick look at the China's economy real quick. So for right now, 2020, China's economy is the second largest economy of the whole world. So that's why it's not a good idea to ignore China. Smash the like button. Oh yeah, and the Chinese government wants to increase the market share of EV car sales. So currently it is around 5%. Electric vehicles consist about 5% of the whole vehicles, and they plan to increase it to 25% in 2025. So they would literally 5 times the market share of EV vehicles in 5 years. That's a good potential for the NEO stock, for the NEO company, and also for Tesla. And Elon Musk also mentioned that the Chinese economy will surpass the US economy by 2 or even 3 times. And I've read somewhere that the Chinese economy... here it is. Any questions so far? Feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. Here it is. Will surpass the US economy already by 2024. So according to some sources it says 2024. According to other sources it says within this decade, so up to 2030. But it will happen in this decade, very likely. So that's why it's a good idea not to ignore China and Chinese companies. So next, good news about the NEO stock, that the biggest owner of the NEO stock, the biggest shareholder, is a British investment firm company called Baillie Gifford with about 9% stake, and BlackRock is the biggest investment firm of the whole world. And BlackRock also is invested into the NEO stock. So there you can see that a NEO stock is a very good company to invest in. Not only the biggest investment firm of the world is invested into NEO stock, but only the second biggest, the Vanguard Group. And Vanguard, their products, it is also recommended to buy their products according to Warren Buffett. Because Warren Buffett said that for the average investor, you should buy a Vanguard ETF. And next one, Goldman Sachs is also invested into a NEO stock. Credit Suisse is also invested into NEO stock. There you can see that NEO stock it looks like a good investment. Next, a little bit about the NEO company itself. It was founded in 2014, so roughly 6 years ago. And as of today, 2020, they have around like 7,000 employees. And a NEO company has offices in San Jose, so close to San Francisco. Sorry. And close to San Francisco. They have also office in Munich, in Germany, and in Oxford, UK, England, or Great Britain. The next good news about the NIO stock, they plan to have a bigger battery pack, which have a range of about 600 miles, so 900 kilometers. So that would be a game changer for the NIO company. And they plan to reveal it next year, so on January, 9th January next year, so pretty soon. So let's have a quick look at the NIO stock real quick. And on 30th October 2020, the NIO stock is traded at around $31. And the market cap of the NIO stock is around 37 billion US dollars. So let's make a little comparison. Ford, as you know, is an American company, and Ford has a market cap of around 31 billion US dollars. So it is less variable compared to NIO company. Although Ford already exists since 1903, so more than 100 years ago. But still, Ford is not that variable compared to the NIO stock. There you can see the potential of NIO company or NIO stock, because right now they're selling only 5,000 vehicles per month, and they have the potential to sell way more than that, because the EV market share in China will increase 5 times within 5 years. So this is very foreseeable. It's not like in 10 years they will reach that sales target, but already within 5 years, and it will double like every year. So that's pretty nice. And the NIO stock 1 month ago was at around 22 US dollars. So let's do the math here real quick. 31 divided by 22, I think I said. Yeah, oh wow, so 40% performance after 1 month. So as you can see here, there are like setbacks, pullbacks yesterday and a few days ago, but it barely matters because it's just a little pullbacks. But overall, on the 1 month chart, it has a performance of 40%, so that's one of the highest I've ever seen. Subscribe and see you next time.